guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Home Avengers TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by China.
Yes, Chibo Njayam, congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
I think ikona into kumele maybe lovers anganqinelana nam. I think lovers as a Kaizer Chiefs kumele ke sithathe labafana be Kaizer Chiefs sibalethe la esigodini ke bafunde ukuthi what does it mean to play for the badge, ibhola lidlalwa kanjani. Sicela uKaizer alethe lezantwana la Saturday zizobheka ukuthi ibhola lidlalwa kanjani. Orlando Pirates for the badge. Angisazi man. Aqala kahle manthabo. Hayi manthabo lost lo manthabo. Hayi manthabo kahle. Lalela Sithabo. Siqali kahle lento.
Sure.
I think congratulations to Orlando Pirates. They have displayed they haven't played their best game today.
Yes.
But they knew the mandate.
Yes.
The mandate was to win.
Yes.
Good football doesn't win points. Football that was played by Pirates, Pirates benefited from it.
Yes.
Indoyabo, they were just here to collect points at home and to make sure that Richards Bay ayiphumile esigodini. Indeed, Richards Bay ayiphumanga esigodini. That's why I'm saying that Orlando Pirates is playing for the badge. Somehow, I believe ukuthi ama-fans azabuya ayiluze. Ama-fans azayiluza ngendaba eyi-1 ukuthi zikhona izinto ukuthi whereby now ama-friends are under pressure more than ama-players. So ama-fans we-Orlando Pirates yiwane pressure more than ama-players. So athatha la pressure yawo ayi-applye team. So ezinye zezinto the teams like the teams like about Richards Bay, the teams like about Richards Bay sometimes you can tell that these small teams like Richards Bay and stuff, Richards Bay and Golden Arrows, these teams, they just play to be in the top 8. They don't have a vision in the PSL. Their thing is simple. They just wanna be in the PSL for nothing. So you understand ukuthi teams like abo Richards Bay nabo Golden Arrows ayafana nje lo ma team ukuthi nje eyona nto ayihlelele la ukuthi ayongena ku top 8, but there's nothing that they can actually do. Ayibonakala ukuthi la ma team azothini, and then now la ma team target yabo it is just to beat the Kaizer Chiefs and then it's done for the season. The only thing that about Richards Bay they want nabo Arrows, they just want to beat Kaizer Chiefs and then done. There's nothing else. So the way Chiefs are working are corner, this team they feel like they have won the league. But they Chiefs. After that, you can never die. Ushubanga lose pass and then that's all.